For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the cyclone update. The system in the Arabian Sea actually graduated from depression to deep depression till this morning. Looks to be settled now as a cyclonic storm. It's deep in the sea still, away from the coast. It's almost presently about more than 200 kilometers, to be precise 240 kilometers. It's west of Goa. It's moving abeam Goa now, and then gradually obviously it will go towards northeast of Goa. It's about 400 kilometers or little plus from southwest of Mumbai. The system is tracking at the moment northward, but shortly it should be moving towards northeastward. That's when the recurvature will take place shortly, and that means it should speed up also. The speed of the storm, which is about 11 kilometers or so at the moment, I think it should gradually speed up to about 13, 14 and even maybe 15 kilometers per hour. Means the system is going to remain cyclonic storm just short of this crossing the coast. At the time of crossing, yes, cyclonic storm, and then thereafter it's weakening to about deep depression thereafter. The landfall anytime tomorrow, sometime in the afternoon, could be between 1 o'clock to about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock or so. Exact time let you know a little later. But then this will be a cyclonic storm with the winds to the tune of almost about 90 kilometers per hour at the time of crossing the coast. The cyclonic storms normally they have a range of winds starting from 62 to 88 kilometers, and thereafter it's a severe cyclonic storm from 89 kilometers to about 117 kilometers. So we can say that this particular storm is on the upper side of the cyclonic storm and the lower edge of the severe cyclonic storm. So it possibly may become a severe for a very short duration for this reason. But at the time of crossing the coast, just about cyclonic storm, and then once it moves inside, expected to weaken within about hours to a depression or a deep depression. But then this is definitely causing extreme weather conditions over Mumbai, all its suburbs, and even south of that from tonight onwards, and for Mumbai tomorrow morning onward, particularly the 6 to 8 hour rainfall is going to be heavy, extremely heavy, coupled with the high velocity winds of the order of say 80-90 kilometers per hour or so. Along with that, you can expect high tide, storm surge. All this put together is heading for inundation of a lot of coastal areas, flooding of areas, and also the disruption of communication connectivity, rail, road, air link, that also is going to be disrupted. We see this storm in the satellite picture. As I mentioned, it's already abeam Goa. It has crossed and then gradually moving further northeastward now. This is the system. It is almost abeam Goa at the moment, and then it is moving northeastward. This should be the track, and then heading towards Mumbai. Could be a landfall little south of Mumbai, somewhere close to Alibag or so in the afternoon tomorrow. And the system can be even well appreciated. The wind field is showing very compact, strong winds in the central region of this storm, clearly marked center, and then converging winds from all the sides, drawing a lot of momentum, and then this is what is moving closer to the coast towards Mumbai. That's the update for cyclone Nisarg. Keep watching for more updates on this cyclone. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.